Hello, Stuart Heath here, CEO and founder of Harvard Grace Capital, with another just a comment and opinion on things that are going on in the world. Last week when we posted, the Fed had not yet cut interest rates. As of this week, they cut interest rates in a big way. And yeah, I think you can tell by market reaction that nobody was expecting the full 50 0.5% cut that they made. A lot of people were expecting a 25, and then the market reacted with the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones setting new highs, and yeah, at least as of right now, they're maintaining those new highs. So the Fed has finally started cutting interest rates, is what we've been talking about for more than a year, and it's was called on almost immediately after they started raising rates. So what now? What should we expect? If you believe the same people who told us they were going to start cutting in March of this year, that the Fed is going to cut rates two more times this year, both of them 50, 0.5% cuts, 50 basis points. And yeah, I don't know if that's true or not, but even if they do that, I mean, that would be a major move by the end of the year. So 1.5 off of interest rates. That would help a lot of people. As you can see on the screen, there's an article here. The rate cuts won't come in time to save a bunch of people. And I think that's true. We've been saying that. That was going to be true whether they started lowering rates back in the spring or if they did it now, as they have. But what are we really going to see? So I'm in the business of buying real estate, and I don't do floating rate debt. So this isn't going to help me at all. This will begin to help me as we start to refinance. I think in the springtime you'll see a wave of refinancing of commercial properties as well as some homes. Uh, but I don't know that it's going to impact the overall real estate market. I think what's likely to happen in a year and a half or 2 years from now, interest rates will come down to a point that sellers will adjust their expectations and buyers will adjust their expectations. And so for a period of time, there'll be this little sweet spot where buyers and sellers are in agreement on value and lots of deals will get done. Until then, we're still going to have this dichotomy, and it remains to be seen how lenders are going to react to this. Many lenders had been reacting to this anticipated rate cut long before even now, because it was sort of the writing was on the wall, and so they didn't want to go out and make a loan that they were just going to get refinanced 6 months down the road. So they've already been doing loans that could be done at the best rate that they could. So you got all these players, you got the lenders, you got the sellers, you got the buyers, and we need for all the stars to align all at once for there to be a tremendous pickup in deal activity. So would love to hear your thoughts. Take a look at this, and would love to hear from you. Thanks.